Today, I'm going to show you a classic Korean side dish that every Korean household eats on a regular basis. I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried dried anchovies in this spicy garlicky sauce. So delicious. You just need this with a spoonful of warm Korean rice together and you have yourself a perfect meal. Now, Koreans eat dried anchovies as our calcium booster. It is loaded with so much calcium, but it tastes so delicious. And it makes a really good savory snack to have with your cold shot of soju. 오늘의 레시피, 매콤한 고추장 멸치볶음 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. It kind of tastes like beef jerky, but it's with that salty seafood taste. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is also available in the description box below. To make our GoChuJang MyeolChi-BokkEum, we're going to need about 1 cup of dried anchovies, about less than 60 gram-ish. Now these dried anchovies called 멸치 comes in many sizes. It comes in tiny sizes to this medium size, which we are using today. And anything bigger than 1.5 inches is only for making broth with. To make our spicy seasoning for our GoChuJang MyeolChi-BokkEum Stir-Fry, I have 1 tablespoon of gochujang, that is Korean fermented red pepper paste. To this, we're gonna add half a tablespoon of Korean soy sauce, all-purpose soy sauce, 양조간장. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of finely minced white onions. As our sweetener, we're gonna use brown malt syrup. If you can't get this, you could use agave. You could also use your favorite maple syrup or cooking syrup. This is really thick. If you can't get any of those, you could also just use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And to give it that extra bright red color, we're gonna use finely ground 고춧가루, 고운 고춧가루. If you don't have this, you could just use coarse ground 고춧가루. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of 고운 고춧가루. And then to this, we're gonna add 1 and 2 tablespoons of water. Then I want you to just mix everything up. And the syrup is really thick, so don't worry about dissolving the syrup at this point. It's all gonna melt when we put it on the frying pan. And there you have it. Ooh, that looks so yummy. And this is optional, but I have 1 green and 1 red peppers if you want to add that added spicy taste to your 고추장 멸치볶음. Set your heat to high. Preheat your frying pan on high heat for about a minute or 2. Now once your frying pan is preheated, I want you to lower your heat to medium high. Then we're gonna add a generous amount of oil. So about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're gonna add our dried anchovies. So you should immediately hear that sizzling sound. And we're just gonna lightly toast this in our oil on medium-high heat for about a good minute. And a minute later, our anchovies are ready. So notice how it's starting to turn a little brown like that? That's the color that we want. You can easily burn this, so be careful. Then we're gonna spread our anchovies to the wall like so. Then we're gonna pour our ooh la la, love that sound. Make sure to scrape in all the sauce from our bowl. Don't waste any of it, as always. Let this sizzle like this for about good 30 seconds. Then we're gonna just go in and mix everything up quickly. Add our peppers. And this is basically done. It's easy as that. All done. I'm gonna turn off the heat and then put it on our plate quickly. Ooh, it smells peppery and salty and garlicky. Then you could drizzle just a little bit of sesame oil on top. and add just a little bit of sesame seeds, just a little. Less is more when it comes to sesame seeds. There we have it. Now, if you want to learn more about Korean side dishes, banchan, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and select Korean side dishes. I also have a non-spicy version of this anchovy stir-fry that you can check out. So I will see you there. For me, having one yummy side dish with warm Korean rice and kimchi is more than enough to make me super happy. Let's pick some up. Look at that. It's gonna be crunchy, nutty, and just so yummy. And then you put it on your Korean rice. And it's simple as that. A spoonful of GoChuJang MyeolChi-BokkEum with our warm Korean rice. I'm just saying, it's pretty darn good. Bon appetit, everyone. Oh, it's another big bite. I can do it though. It has a kick. I love it. Perfect amount of tiny little subtle sweet taste in the background. Some people make this really sweet. So if you want to make it sweeter, just add more of the syrup. Ooh, the spiciness is kicking in. 고추장 멸치볶음 makes a really good 술안주. So 술안주 is any kind of savory food that we have with our alcohol. With a shot of cold soju, you take a sip. That's very good. It's refreshing. And then you get a little bit of your 멸치볶음. It's like a perfect chaser. It kind of tastes like beef jerky, but it's with that salty seafood taste. If you want to drink flavored soju, go ahead, but Koreans, we like to drink the original. So cheers, everyone. And of course, life only gets better when you add a piece of kimchi on top with your banchan and Korean rice. Now, that is a party in your mouth, my friends. Try it at home. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here. Today, I'm going to show you, I want to thank you for